Hi, I'm Aaron Carter, managing editor of American Rifleman magazine, and this week we're on site at Leupold's Beaverton, Oregon facility. We're going to give you an inside look, a glimpse into production of their American-made rifle scopes.
I think one of the strengths of our product is the ruggedness and durability of it, and really we put a lot of great pride on our products being able to withstand the toughest environments that people can put them through. And behind that we have a lifetime guarantee, and so it really is that gold ring is the symbol of performance and durability and American craftsmanship, and we stand behind that. And I think that is something that people really recognize in our products and why they're confident in any time they make that purchase that this is something that's going to last a lifetime.
During the design process, we vet the design. We run it through all of the specification elements, and some of them are, I can't speak to the details that are in it, but they're very robust. Temperature testing at hot and cold extremes, cycle life testing, impact testing, simulates firearm live fire. We actually do live fire testing to make sure that design it has capability. Then in our manufacturing processes, we do the same thing with the individual component parts. We go through and sample during production and verify that the machines that we selected and the tool setups are appropriate to make good parts consistently.
Well, what sets Leupold apart in terms of the assembly operations is our vertical integration. You've got, within the same plant, on the same floors, you're making the tiniest metal parts all the way up to the main tubes, and those are being assembled and quality controlled all in the same building. And so we're very connected. The individuals that are making the metal parts are talking to the people that are putting them together. And what that allows you to have is an assembly operation that's very in touch with the activities of the design engineering group, the activities of the floor, so that we're constantly able to monitor the processes, we're able to monitor the quality of the product that's going downstream, and we're able to fix it instantly.
You always want to go with somebody you know you can trust, and I think that's why our gold ring really stands out as a unique hallmark in the category. And I think people understand that they can get high performance product, they can get it at a fair value, and they also recognize it's something that they can use not only through their lifetime, but they can pass on to the next generation in their family and have them using that product, and they know we'll continue to stand by it.
I'm here with Pat Monday, Senior Marketing Manager of Leupold. Pat, can you tell our viewers what we're going to be doing here today?
Yeah, we're going to take a tour of the facility. We're going to go downstairs and look at assembly and production, and hopefully see some of the testing that we're doing.
And now, specifically, what are we looking at here?
Well, this is the new VX6 4-24. It's just starting to ship now.
Okay.
And this is the Mark 6 3-18 that just won the EcoSO contract.
Okay.
So,
well, knowing the reputation of these rifle scopes, I can't wait to see how they're assembled. So let's head on down.
sounds good.
The customer requirements are coming in through our marketing group, and we develop from that the prototype of a specification. So it's laid out during the prototype builds or the prototype and concept models what it is that we're shooting for. And so they cover some of these things about environmental testing, cycle testing, and impact. We know what those limits are as they do the design. So when we get those, the teams are meeting weekly at that stage, and the manufacturing engineers who have yet to develop a process are talking with the design engineers on what's coming their way. As the design is completed and the prototype testing goes through, then obviously there's changes to the design, but the manufacturing engineers start to engage in developing the process for manufacturing.
The VX6 products is really an amazing rifle scope, and I remember when we were first looking through the prototypes and us engineers were comparing it with even just the previous year's scope, and the field of view is just incredible. And sometimes you look at maybe a VX1 versus a VX2 product and people ask, well, what's the difference? What am I really getting when I spend that extra money? Although there are slight optical improvements from a VX1 to a VX2, it's something that is generally more visible in the laboratory or in really low light conditions. But with the VX6 product, it really stands out. The clarity, the colors that are coming through, and again, the field of view is just amazing.
We do have a very extensive rifle scope line. It's really developed so that we can meet the needs of almost any hunter or shooter. So in order to fit that, we have to have a broad portfolio. We have to have everything from handgun scopes to muzzleloader scopes. We have to have red dot sights. We have to have high magnification variables. We need fixed power scopes for target competitions. We need fixed power handgun scopes for different hunting situations. So what's happened over the years is we've tried to make intelligent decisions about what SKUs we offer, the price points we offer them at, and then we've tried to constantly keep our eyes focused forward on what kind of new innovations we can bring to market and continue to maintain that cutting edge that's made us, I think, really effective over the years.
The ruggedness is not only designed in, it's built in. And we operate here and have for over 100 years by the concept that the customer should get a square deal, because our warranty is important not only to the consumer who wants to know that when he's buying a Leupold product, he is protected. It is our pillar. It is one of our pillars of our organization and what makes our brand and keeps our brand strong in the marketplace. As people believe in it, so it's as important to them as it is to us.